guys, welcome to the Ishway. This is the first of many hauls. These are a few clothes that I've shopped from Myntra and Amazon, all under 1000 rupees, and they're mostly casual wear, a couple of heels, and a couple of dresses. So let's get right into it. If you like this video, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. So these are the first pair of blue denim jeans that I purchased from Myntra. So I am obsessed with Myntra. I feel like they should make me their brand ambassador because 99% of my wardrobe is from there. Now this was a brand that I had never shopped from before, but they just look cheap, and I have also purchased jeans worth 2k 3k but सब खराब हो जाती हैं. So I was like, let me just go for like a cheaper one this time and try it out, and I feel they look really good. I like the fit, I like the style. There's a little bit of camel toe that's showing, but it's okay. I feel like that's almost every pair of jeans, so I would rate them a 9 out of 10 on price and an 8 out of 10 in terms of the fit. So the next thing that I got is this black crop top from Amazon. Now, like everyone else, I'm also a little bit apprehensive about shopping and getting fashion wear from Amazon, but this was super cheap, so I was like, let me try it out. It's okay. I would say it's a 7 out of 10, but it was very cheap, so I'll just wear it daily wear basis pe, like a casual wear. And it's also a little transparent, but the quality is not that bad. So overall a 7 out of 10. I'm just gonna keep it because you would require a black crop top at any point in time. The next thing that I got is this green short kurti from Myntra, again super cheap, and I love the quality, I love the fit. This is size L, but a size M would also fit, but मुझे loose kurti पहनना थोड़ा सा पसंद है because it's more comfortable. So I would definitely recommend buying this. My sister also got these in 2 different variants, 2 different colors. So all in all, it's like a 9 out of 10, and it looks really good. Pair them up with jhumkas and nice jutis, and it'll be a very, very good outfit. The next thing that I got is this super cute bohemian sort of a top from Myntra. Now this was a little expensive. I think I got this for 700 bucks. Not sure. I'm going to put that down in the description. Rupees, not bucks. मुझे किसी ने टोका था इस चीज़ के लिए, but I love the top. I love the fitting. I love how it looks. You can wear these with black pants as well, and I love the fit, love the quality. This is size M. Would 100% recommend buying this. Super impressed with this brand and the quality. The next thing is this super cute, again bohemian sort of a handbag, sling bag that I wanted for a long time क्योंकि मेरा पहले वाला टूट गया था. Love the look of it. I have a matching kurti with it that I'll pair this up with, and it'll look good with like anything that you wear, even if it's Indian, even if it's Western, सबके साथ जाएगा. तो 9 out of 10. I don't remember the price. There was just one size for it, but it looks really good and it is spacious. Like you can keep your phone and wallet and all your cards and accessories, a little bit of makeup, all of that you can store. So size wise also it's good. So I would give this a 9 out of 10. Next is this blue corset top from this brand called Corsica. Never purchased anything from them from before. This is also from Myntra, and अभी मुझे ये 2000 का दिखा रहा है on the website, but as you know the prices fluctuate. I got it for like 600 or 700, and it looked really good in pictures. It's not looking bad in the frame, but I just don't like the fit of it. Like सामने से it's a little loose and it's just not fitting well on my body. Like the fit is a little odd, so I would give this a 7 out of 10. I'm still gonna wear it. I love the back, but fitting is not that great, so you can skip it if you're getting it for like बहुत ज़्यादा cost. The next are 2 things. These transparent heels from Amazon and this black dress from Myntra. The heels are 100% recommended, super comfortable. मैं 3-4 बार इनको already पहन चुकी हूँ and pain बिल्कुल नहीं होता. They look really good. So in terms of quality, in terms of the fit, this is size 37 I think or 5. The dress again super good. लगता है थोड़ी that it's not that expensive, like you can just see and tell, but it's like for casual wear ऐसी, like if you're going for shopping, if you're going to the mall, you can just wear it. You can even pair this with like sneakers. तो मुझे तो अच्छी लगी. I'm going to keep it. Again, this was very cheap, so I purchased it, and it doesn't look that bad. And you need a bunch of black dresses in your wardrobe, so both of these are recommended. दोनों साथ में भी बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं, तो I think I'm going to keep both of them. And 9 out of 10, 100% for the heels, maybe an 8 out of 10 for the dress. The last two things are both from Amazon. These black heels from this brand called Mark Lawyer. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it or saying it right, but anyway. And this black dress which costed me like 400 rupees. I am in love with the dress, you guys. This is the first time that I'm wearing like a long dress because I feel like it doesn't suit my body type and my height, but I was super impressed. The fit is so good for the cost. The quality is also really good, and the way it looks amazing. 10 out of 10 for the dress. I would 100% recommend anyone who's looking for a black dress to just close their eyes and purchase this. About the heels, not impressed at all. मेरी बैंक बच गई थी. I've worn them twice and it hurts so much. I don't know how I'm going to wear them. I am going to wear them क्योंकि अब खरीद लिए हैं and they actually look really good. So in terms of the look बहुत अच्छा है, but in terms of comfort, it's like a 2 out of 10. Like within 15 minutes of wearing them, your heels, your foot will start hurting. So I don't think I would recommend these. If you're using them for like a photo shoot or just कि बैठे हुए हो and there's no movement, then it's fine. But ज़रा सा भी walk करना है तो they won't be good. And that's all for today's video, and I hope you liked this one. I would love for people to subscribe to my channel and interact with the channel, and I'll see you next time with something new. Thank you so much.